Before we perform Salat, we must first prepare ourselves, making sure that we are clean from any physical impurities. This performance is called Ablution, Wudu, and is preferably carried out as follows. A quick reminder before we start: do not waste water. Before you start ablution, the first thing to say is bismillah. Wash both hands up to the wrists, starting with the right hand 3 times, making sure that water has reached between the fingers. Take water with your right hand, put it into your mouth and rinse it 3 times. Take water with your right hand, splash it into your nose and blow it out 3 times. Wash your whole face 3 times. Wash the right arm from wrist to elbow 3 times and make sure that no part of the arm has been left unwashed. Repeat with the left arm. Move the palms of the wet hands lightly over the head, starting from the top of the forehead to the back of the head, and then bringing them back to the forehead. Wipe your ears inside and out with the same water, using your fingers. Finally, wash both feet to the ankles 3 times, starting with the right foot. At the end of these steps, recite أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله.
سنتعلم المزيد لاحقا إن شاء الله. دمتم في رعاية الله وحفظه. لا تنسوا الإعجاب، الاشتراك، وتفعيل الجرس ليصلكم الجديد. دمتم في رعاية الله وحفظه.